Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. I'm back here with a very unique recipe that's so tasty and delicious. It's a Middle Eastern recipe called meat kofta in yogurt tahini sauce. The ingredients also are very simple. So to make this, I've used half kilo of minced meat. You can also use ground meat. 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of green chili. This is optional. I've added this to add in some heat to the meat koftas. Half a cup of cilantro or coriander, or you can use parsley leaves, 1 finely chopped tomato, and 1 finely chopped onion. The potato and tomato will be used in the layering. I've used 1 potato and 1 tomato. So this is a very simple one pan dish that is absolutely flavorful, and it is cooked in tahini yogurt sauce, which adds to the deliciousness of this recipe. To make the meat kofta mixture, we'll be adding all of these ingredients to it: the onions, tomato, coriander or parsley, and the green chili, garlic. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share and like my videos. For the written recipe, you can visit my blog saracooksforyou.com. I'll be giving you the link in the description. We've also added the salt, pepper and olive oil. And this is the recipe for Baharat mix: 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, 1/4 cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon zira powder or cumin, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon of paprika, and about 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix it together and your spice mix, Baharat spice mix, is ready. If you have the ready-made one, you can add about 1.5 tablespoons to the kofta mixture. So we'll add in the Baharat spice mix as well. This is the Middle Eastern spice mix which goes into almost every dish, and it's very easy to make it yourself at home. So we'll add in all the ingredients to the kofta, the minced meat, and we'll mix it really well. So the mixture for the kofta is ready. Traditionally, these are made into balls and they are fried and then added to the tahini sauce. But this is a one pan, a healthier version where I'm just going to bake it instead of frying it. So let's put this on into a serving dish. Layer it in the serving dish, and you can poke some holes at this point. And for the potatoes, for the healthier version, I'm just adding in like this. But for a better taste, texture and flavor, you can shallow fry the potato slices with some olive oil and some spices like salt, pepper and some chili or paprika powder, and then add it. It takes the dish to the next level. It tastes really amazing. So this is a quick fix, so I'm not going to add any extra steps to this. Just layer the potatoes, tomatoes, sprinkle some salt, pepper, and we're also going to sprinkle some olive oil and bake it at about 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. This is a great dish to serve for parties and for a crowd. You can just double or triple the ingredients for a large sized pan. It's as simple as that. We'll bake it for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the sauce, the yogurt tahini sauce. I've used about 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 teaspoon of garlic, some lemon juice, salt to taste, and some pepper. We'll be adding about 1/4 cup of water. Give it a good mix. It has to be a saucy consistency, and this is the sauce that will go over the meat kofta. The meat kofta is baked. So now we are going to pour this yogurt tahini sauce over this. It's a really simple dish, and it is absolutely flavorful, and it tastes great along with rotis or naans or any kinds of breads, and of course rice. So we'll put this tahini yogurt sauce over it and sprinkle it with some cilantro or parsley again, and we'll bake it for another 10-15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. The dish is baked and it's ready. It smells amazing. It has really mild and subtle flavors, and it tastes absolutely amazing. It's a must try dish. I have many favorite recipes from the Middle Eastern cuisine, and this is one of them. And it's a must try dish. I'm sure you'll love it as well. Do try it and let me know in the comments if you liked it.